are going to do a word chain. And remember, our prefixes are represented in yellow, our base element in green, and our suffixes are purple. So this is a spoken chain, so we're just going to say the word parts, and unless we say otherwise, there's only going to be one morpheme change per word. All right, our starting word, repeat after me, is reverse. Can you please say reverse? All right, what's our prefix? Re, and what's our base? Verse, reverse. Add the suffix t. What's our word? Reversed. Change our suffix to us. What's our word? Reverses. Change our suffix to ing. What's our word? Reversing. Change our suffix to ol. What's our word? Reversal. Change our suffix to ubble. What's our word? Reversible. Add the prefix ear to the front. What's our word? Irreversible. Change our suffix to ubly. What's our word? Irreversibly. Good job. We are going to do a written word chain. So we're using the same words, and it's the same concept as the spoken chain, except this time we are spelling the words. And unless I state otherwise, only one morpheme changes per word. All right, I'm going to have you spell your word on your whiteboard. Ready? Spell your word reverse. 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 All right, read your word back. That's right, reverse. Change it to the word reverses. Only erase the part that needs to be erased. All right, let's check yours. So we erased our final E because we are adding a vowel suffix, ES. So there's our word, reverses. Go ahead and read it, please. Reverses. Change it to reversing. So in reversing, we went back to the word reverse, but now we're adding the suffix ing. Our E drops because ing is a vowel suffix, and there is our word reversing. Check your work. Read your word back. Reversing. Next word, change it to the word reversal. Reversal. So we take away our suffix. We're back to reverse, but now we're adding the AL suffix, which is a vowel suffix. So we drop that E again, and we add our suffix AL. Reversal. Go ahead and read your word back. Reversal. Now we're going to change it to the word reversible. Please say reversible. That's right. Go ahead and change it to reversible. And use your vowel spelling chart if you need support spelling those suffixes, because we haven't studied that one together yet. All right, so I'm getting rid of my suffix. We're back to the word reverse, but ubble is a vowel suffix, so I'm going to erase my E again, drop it, and add ubble. And in this word, it's the IBLE spelling of ubble. All right, what's your word? Reversible. All right, now we're going to change it to the word irreversible. This is a prefix we have not studied together yet. Give it your best shot. Irreversible. All right, to spell irreversible, here it is. We have IR, which is a chameleon of the prefix IN, and it is spelled IR, and that's why there are two R's, because we have two prefixes, IR and RE. What's your word? That's right, irreversible. All right, your final word is the word irreversibly. Please say it. Yes, irreversibly. So I'm going to get rid of my suffix, put back my final E, except now we have ibly, which we have to get rid of our E again, and it is spelled I-B-L-Y. And again, I encourage you to use your suffix spelling chart to support your suffix spelling. Read your word back one more time, please. That's right, irreversibly.